everyone, I'm Gian and welcome to my YouTube channel. So last 2018, a lot of my Facebook friends asked me about things that are related to my current or present job. So as many of you don't know, I'm a flight attendant. So decided na to answer each question that they asked me before here, para dun sa mga tao na with the same questions, para kahit papano masasagot sila ng someone from the industry. Anyway, so first question, pwede bang fresh grad? Yes, pwedeng fresh grad kasi I was able to apply and they hired me. Fresh grad din ako noon 2 years ago, 2016. So I graduated last 2016 and then I applied syempre 2016 din, and I graduated from my basic class November 2016 din. So na-release ako to fly November 2016. So I believe and I know pwede yung fresh grad. And during my batch, yung batch 2016, sobrang daming fresh grad din. And I know sa mga previous batch and yung mga batches after us, marami ring fresh grad. So pwede yung fresh grad. 2. Kailangan daw bang tourism graduate? Hindi. Maybe it's a plus kung tourism graduate ka. Feeling ko, mas may edge kung yun yung course mo. Pero marami ring courses. Marami akong colleagues na from different courses. Like, may nursing, yung iba nga registered nurse pa, may engineers. Ako, psychology graduate. So, medyo malayo daw. Pero feeling ko hindi naman. Pero, ayun, any course, ano daw ang height and weight requirements? Well, when I joined yung company ko ngayon, before, yung 2 years ago, ang requirement for men, for guys, ay 5'6", and for women, 5'4". Yung height ko kasi sa labas, 5'5". Hindi ko alam ba't nababawasan ng 1 inch dun sa pinagtatrabaho ko ngayon. Pero 5'4" lang ako. So, sabit. Yun. I'm not sure kung nagbago siya ngayon, pero itatanong ko and then I'll let you know. Pero with regards to weight requirements, hindi naman sobrang specific na dapat lahat kayo 130 pounds lang or dapat lahat kayo 55 kilograms lang or 60 kilograms lang. Depende sa height. So, dapat proportion yung height mo sa weight mo or yung weight mo sa height mo. Like for me, 5'4" ako sa pinagtatrabuhan ko now. Tapos yung range niya, parang hanggang 127 yata yung maximum na pwede kong weight para sa height na yun. Tapos medium build ako. Tapos, pero yung weight ko ngayon, 117 lang. So, hindi naman sila mahigpit dun sa mababa, yung minimum weight mo. Pero medyo mahigpit sila dun sa maximum weight mo. So, kung kagaya ko ikaw na medium build tapos 5'4" yung height, so dapat yung weight mo is somewhere between 118 yata to 127. So since ako 117, so considered underweight. Bawal daw ba ang pimples? Kailangan clear yung skin mo, pero ako I have like yan pimple, tas pimple. When I applied before, I think maybe meron ako isa or dalawa, pero feeling ko, as long as natatago siya, it's fine. Pero before, sinabihan kami na dapat clear yung skin mo, no visible scars. So, feeling ko, ganun pa rin siya kahigpit ngayon. So, yeah. Pero I have pimples. Pimple dito, and then pimple there. So, plural pimples. Anyway. Basta ang alam ko, no visible scars. Dapat. And, eto pa, bawal yung braces. Gano'ng kakatagal nag-apply? Well, yung application process, medyo mahaba-haba siya kasi ang dami mong pagdadaanan. Pero, for example, nag-graduate ako today. The next day, I passed my resume online. And then, the next day, after that, tinawagan nila ako for an impact interview. Parang if available daw ba ako, parang a week after, kung available ako for an impact interview. And then sabi ko, syempre, yes. And then yun na, dire-diretso na. Pero, yung hiring process, medyo madami kasi kaming pinagdaanan. Parang, kunyari, impact interview, and then initial medical, and then psychological examination, and then executive panel interview. So, parang 1 week or 1 week, 2 weeks yung mga pagitan niya. So, medyo mahaba-haba yung waiting time mo every step. Pero, tinawagan ako right after magpasa ako ng resume. Sinuwerte ako nun kasi hiring talaga sila. Tapos, hindi ako nag-open day. Parang, dun kami diretso sa main office and then dun kami in-impact interview, ganyan. 5 months hinintay ko bago nag-start yung trainings. International daw ba ako kaagad? Yes. When I applied last 2016, nung pagka-release namin to fly, mixed crew yung tawag. Kasi we fly domestic and international routes. Tapos, one more thing, may nagtatanong sa akin, kasi maraming nakakaalam na malabo yung mata ko. Super labo niya talaga, guys. Kasi, bago ko mag-high school, 2020 vision ko. Pero yung school ko kasi nung high school, parang medyo maraming basa and everything ganyan. So, mahilig ako magbasa anywhere, moving vehicles, sa dilim, yung mga ganyan. So, medyo lumabo siya. Pero, bago ko mag-apply sa PAL, less than 200 yung grado ko. I think that's the maximum that na grade na pwede. Kasi sobrang labo na nun if ever na wala kang glasses or wala kang contact lenses. I applied na mga less than 200 yung grade ko. So, sabit. But I have to wear contact lenses on board kasi wala talaga, I mean, medyo malabo talaga siya. Kung yung haba ng aircraft, simula dulo hanggang harap, medyo hindi ko na siya masyadong nakikita. So, kailangan may contact lens ako. So, I hope I answered every question na natanong sa akin before. If ever you have any more, don't hesitate to PM me. I'll link all my social media accounts. Thank you very much for watching this video. Click thumbs up if you like it. And please do subscribe. Thank you!